Okay, we're working on this '06 Nissan X-Trail today. It's my wife's. It's got a leaky tailpipe or exhaust pipe. So it's kind of been getting louder and louder as the weeks go by. And I can see that the leak right there is right at that joint. So it's pretty much all corroded right here. And when you have the car running, you can actually hear it and you can feel the exhaust coming out of there. So what we're gonna do today is I got a fresh piece of pipe, and we're gonna cut both sides here, take out this this affected area, and we're gonna weld in a patch. So yeah, let's get to it. So yeah, there's sort of a up close. There you can see the leak, and these joints are you're just asking for trouble right from the factory with these. I mean, they rust, they collect salt and road grime and water, and just a matter of time before they failed. I just found this in the steel parts bin. And all this is a flare coupling. Again, you can buy these any auto parts store. So I'm gonna weld that onto there like that. I know it's not the prettiest. So that's gonna go onto there. And then we'll weld all around there. Nice, it'll be a pretty big bead, but it'll get the job done. And then I got this other piece of 2-inch. So I'll weld that onto there on the bench. And that'll give me that extra length I need to go to there. Like that. So let's get going on that. Okay, so also I just noticed this has a flare on it. So that'll actually slip over there. So it's better to do a coupling that slips over than a butt joint when you're welding, because it'll last longer. So what we'll do is that'll be like that. And then this will go on here like this. But it slips into that, so we'll go to about there. We'll mark this, we'll cut that right there so we got a little bit of room to move around. So let's cut that. Okay, so we're back under the car. Just gonna do a little test fit. So this is gonna go into there. And this is gonna slip onto there like that. And then sort of like that. So we'll weld there, there, and there. And we should be good. So these couplings give us a little bit of flexibility. Okay, so next step, we will clean the ends of these pipes up really nice, so we get a good weld. And this, so we want to clean it off to at least there. Let's mark that. Clean up that spot. Okay, so we're just on the other side here. Sorry, I forgot to press record when I was welding, but there it is. It's not the prettiest welds ever. In fact, they're pretty ugly, but it's all sealed. It's pretty difficult when you're under a car and trying to weld in places you can hardly see the top, so you're almost welding blind. But that sealed up the leak there. The rest of the system's pretty good, so it should quiet it down. I can see there's a small pinhole developing where that pipe takes an upward turn there, and it's a really hard to access spot. So I think what I might do in the next couple of weeks is order like a stainless flex line, and I'll replace that section of it from where the clamp is there right up to where it comes down from the manifold. So hopefully I'll get a chance to make a video on that. But yeah, just for a basic repair, it's pretty easy to do, so yeah, you don't gotta spend hundreds of dollars. You can get all these parts, and I mean, even if you don't have a welder, you can buy clamps and things where if you cut the two ends of the pipe off, you can slide a piece from the hardware store over or the parts store over, and then it'll actually clamp down on it. So you don't even really need a welder in some instances. So hope that helped some people. We'll see you on the next video.